How did the interim visit help you to reflect on the progress that the school had made since its last core inspection?
That was great actually, because the interim visit, it was a surprise to us. It was only 2 years since our full inspection, but actually it was really useful to kind of keep us on track and give us confidence that what we are doing and the progress we are making is in the right direction.
So after you've had an interim visit yourself, what have you told other head teachers who are about to have interim visits? What kind of advice have you given them about the process?
So I've told them that it's actually a really positive process. I've told them to maybe not worry as much as they think they need to, and not to over-prepare, to be really honest and to use the process as a learning opportunity, and to gain all of the advice they can really from the inspectors, and to enjoy it. You know, we enjoyed our day, so hopefully they will enjoy this too.
Would you say that the interim visit felt more supportive than stressful? And if so, why?
For myself personally, it definitely felt more supportive at the stage of the career that I am at. It helped me look at my own judgments really carefully, but also to have them validated by a HMI that we were absolutely on the right track with where we're saying best practice was in the school, but also focusing me on looking a little bit more about where those missed opportunities for learning were happening and allowing me to state them openly in a really supportive manner for our staff. So from that point of view, it did feel a lot different and it was much more supportive, especially in my professional development.
I felt the interim visit has made me understand the purpose of Aston a bit more, in the sense they're not here to just scrutinise and come and look at everything you're doing wrong, but they are really looking for the positives as well. They were looking pretty much solely at the recommendations from last time to see what we'd done since their last visit.
And what I liked about it as well is it didn't feel like a very formal, intimidating chat. It felt very easy and open, and this is a safe space to share your ideas on how you work together as a staff. It didn't feel like, you know, like you might feel like a test.